Guys, hopefully made it through the storm right. I know it still feels like winter, but spring will be here before you know it. We have a huge selection of honey here. Eating local honey, if you put in a teaspoon of it in your coffee, your tea, whatever you drink every morning, will help you combat allergies, and only local honey will do that. Honey is made with pollen from the bees, as you probably know. And by putting that in your body, you're building up your immunity to it. If you start taking it now, you won't have as bad seasonal allergies when the time comes. So there's two different kinds of honey. There's clover honey and there's wildflower honey. As you can see, the wildflower is darker, it's a little stronger, it has a little bit more flavor. They both do the same thing. Our farm market's open 7 days a week from 10 to 5. Hopefully we'll see you guys in here soon.